I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janen. On today's video, you guys, I am going to show you how I do my smoky eyes using two colors only. I know thinking about smoky is a lot of work to blend, but today I am going to show you the tips and tricks on how to use two colors to create a smoky eye. If you're just starting wearing eyeshadow, I suggest not to wear glitters, just for me, okay? Especially if you have a hooded eyes. I recommend this palette because of all the mattes, day to night, and this is like a wearable and you can use this every day. Look at these colors right here. It's more nude, it's more neutrals. This is all matte. You can use this every day. You know, you can create smoky eyes right here. You have day to night and you have a beautiful transition. So yes, using this palette, two colors for smoky, I'm gonna show you how. I use concealer on my eyelids and I set them with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Using this earthy color right here, I'm going to use this all over my lids. This one. This is our first color. I'm using my tapered Jessup tapered blending brush. When you do this, dip and then tap, barely touching my eyelids. So this is what I do. If you are hooded eyes, just open your eyes, and I always go on this side and then just go all over like this.
Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree. Everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party?
I will keep blending. If I notice that it's not enough, I keep building the colors. Just keep blending and adding the color until I'm happy with it, you know. So I'm just gonna dip again and then blend.
Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like.
Keep blending until you build the muscles. Alright, using this clean Sigma A40 blending brush, I am going to just blend the harsh edges up here. The clean one, you don't need to dip this, just blend it and keep blending. That's how you do, you know. So after that, and now I am using this all over my lids to create those smoky eyes. This one right here. This is going to be all over our lids because we're creating smoky. I'm saying. And for my brush, I am using my Sigma Blending E25. So pack this like this, and let's pack this all over our lid. Just gently packing this color. Take your time and be patient because we're creating this beautiful smoky, you know. Bam! That's what I'm talking about, you know. But of course, we're not done. Now that the color is packed, now we are going to blend this again. So to blend all of this, I am using my MAC 217. So if you watch my video, I uploaded my essential eye makeup brushes. I'm going to put the link on my description box down below, and you'll see these brushes everywhere on my social media as well. So this is clean, I don't need to dip, but I'm going to blend this seamlessly because we're all about, you know, seamless. You know, take your time, you don't need to hurry because this is really a look that it takes a lot of blending. Blending those harsh edges. And if you think that it's not dark enough, it's not smoky enough, you can build colors, build the colors and blend. That's how you do. So I'm just going to smoke this out, you know. If you have hooded eyes, it's so hard, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can see that it's blend seamless because the key of this one is to blend and take your time. And that's what I learned over time. Because before I do my smoky and I just like, keep blending and I use the same brush. You need to have a spare blending brush. Clean one. I know there's a lot, but you want to do this, work it, I don't want to go dark enough because I'm not feeling it, but as I've said, you have those options. Yes. Okay. And now I am going back to my A40 and just blend this up here. I don't need to dip that in the color. So I'm just gonna blend one more time over here. The same brush for my transition. To tight line my eyes, I am going to use the Smashbox, and this is called Fishnet. I'm going to tight line. You just need to be very careful when you do this, okay? And use this in my inner rim as well, right here. Ooh, it's a beautiful black eyeliner. So now I'm using this color underneath my lashes. So yes, and this brush is from MAC 228. Smoke this up. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young. Okay. So now let me just go ahead and do my entire face, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. This is my final look because I'm going to work. Just to finish up our smoky, I always use a false eyelashes, and this false eyelashes is from Ardell Wispies. It's really inexpensive, and for eyelashes, you guys, you don't need to spend more money. Ardell Wispies is really nice, and Kiss lashes are very nice as well, and there's a lot of good eyelashes online. So you don't need to spend or splurge a lot of money for your falsies. And for my bottom lashes, so I use Lancome Silk Booster, which is the primer, and I use the Mr. Big from Lancome as well. So for those of you guys who has hooded eyelids are really sexy. I used to hate them, but now I like my hooded eyelids. Having a hooded eyelids are really sexy and really cute. You just need to know how to work with them. You just need to know how to apply your eyeshadow, and it took me a while to perfect my smoky, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just keep going, just keep practicing, you guys. Trust me, you'll get there. Prep your eyelids, use the right brushes. It doesn't need to be this Smashbox palette. This is just something that I recommend it to you for you beginners out there, and you want some good palette that you can use for everyday and night look. So yes, what else? That's it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video and if you find this video very helpful, please show me some love, give me some like, and don't forget to subscribe and be a member of my small family. Let's be friends, because why not? And turn on your notifications on for more videos from me. And thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.
I just wanna dance.